When the first iPhone was launched, it has such a size that you can handle it with one finger. But as iPhone displays have gotten larger, it is difficult to use one finger to perform most tasks. But don't worry, it's still possible with the reachability option. When activated, you would be able to reach items at the top of the mobile device by just swiping down on the screen's bottom edge. First, let's activate the reachability option. Go to Settings, then Accessibility. Then select Touch, then toggle the reachability to the green. Let's see how to use reachability on iPhones with a home button. I am using iPhone with the home button. Reachability has already been activated. Now to use it, I will simply touch the home button 2 times, and my screen will be smaller. See, now I can reach and access top items easily. Now let's see how to use reachability on iPhones with Face ID. Now, I have iPhone with a Face ID and reachability has already been activated. Now swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen. Your screen will be smaller, and you can easily reach top items of the screen. Isn't it good if you have a big iPhone? If you don't touch anything for some time, your screen will reset to normal size. It is available regardless of where you are on your mobile device and is super useful when using your phone with one hand.